This is my review of the MT16 from DeWALT. This is a multi-tool with 16 different functions and selling for about $20. After opening it up, taking a look at it, it is pretty useful, but don't think that it's something you would take to a job site. Oftentimes I think of DeWALT and I think, oh yeah, I've got their power tools, I enjoy their products, and they're very good at what they do. The note being kind of expensive. You got to look for some good deals. But for the DeWALT multi-tool, for $20, you're getting a pocket-sized tool. Hey, is this something you take to a job site? Answer, probably not. It's something that I would definitely recommend everyone to have in the glove box of their car or at home for just quick, everyday little adjustments or fixes or just things that you got to do. The attachments on here are fine and they work all right, but it's something where it's like, hey, this would be a good box opener. This would, be able to go through some rope or something like that, but nothing where it's insane. One of the things on here is you have a little file and, you can file some wood with it or whatever, but it also has a little tape measure or a little measuring section on here for 2 inches. I don't know the last time I've needed to measure 2 inches, but it's there. And that's one of the 16 features on here. One thing that's nice is it does have a lifetime warranty. So if it does wear out under normal use, you should be able to let them know, hey, I purchased this. Here's my proof of purchase. Please send me another one. And they'll honor that lifetime warranty. So definitely look through the feature set on here. For me, what did I purchase this device for? It actually, at my local farm store, was selling for $5 with a $5 mail-in rebate. Basically, them wanting to encourage me to purchase the multi-tool and then be able to mail it in, get my rebate for it, and it wouldn't cost me anything at the end of the day as long as I shop at that store. So that honestly is what they probably should do with these kind of products. It's something where everyone needs a multi-tool from time to time. This isn't going to revolutionize your life, but it's going to be useful and helpful. So I would definitely encourage places like DeWALT or others, if you have higher end products that you probably make most of your money on, like the lawnmowers, the power tools, all the DeWALT equipment you guys have, selling this at cost or even at a loss just to have people have a piece of equipment that is DeWALT. So then when they think down the road, hey, what am I going to purchase for some drills or for some power tools? You think, hey, what about DeWALT? And just having that little piece with you is, I think, a great way for them to sell the product. You can look at all these different tools. It's like, yeah, you got a Phillips screwdriver, you got a flathead, you've got different stuff on here. None of it's revolutionary, but I think if you find a good deal on it, sure, pick it up. It'd be great. It'd be a great gift. That's what I'm doing with it this Christmas season. I got the max that they'd allow me to pick up at my farm store, so I'm going to be gifting these away. A great little tool, but yeah, I hope that this video has been helpful for you guys to know it's great, but probably not worth that $20 with all the other options out there. But hopefully you can find a good deal. Thanks for watching.